Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So today's video is gonna be makeup, skincare, beauty products that fit under a budget of rupees 100 to 150, and all these products are extremely pocket friendly, and it will be very helpful for teenagers or beginners. Those who want to begin with makeup, they can definitely go and try these products. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video, and let me just stop blabbering because I just don't want to waste a lot of time in the intro. So let's just get into the video and let's see what are these. So since we are talking about skincare, no skincare starts without the first step, and that is cleansing. Now talk about cleansers, talk about face washes. There are a hell lot of varieties when you talk about face washes that come under a budget of rupees 150. Talk about Himalaya, talk about Clean and Clear, talk about Lotus. There are a hell lot of brands that provide you face washes which are a budget of rupees 100 to 150. Now the one that I have is the OG favorite of all, I think almost all the teenagers, and I am talking about the Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash. Trust me, this is the face wash that has been like declared as the nation favorite face wash, because each and every teenagers, they start, I think, almost using this particular face wash. And trust me, when I was a teenager, even I started using this one, but somehow it didn't really suit me. I was not like, I didn't like that face wash, but you know, obviously each and every person has their own favorite. So the one that I have is a smaller version. This is like a travel friendly pouch. This costs like rupees 15, but obviously you have a bigger versions which will fit into your budget. Now talking about the CTM process, I'm done with the cleansing part. Now comes the toning part. Now again, you get a lot of varieties when it comes to the toning part. You have a lot of brands, they provide you toners under that particular budget that I'm talking about. You have Biotic, because I have used Biotic, so I know. I have used the Biotic Bio Cucumber toner. I don't have the particular product with me right now, but I'm going to insert a picture somewhere in the screen so it's easier for you to understand that exactly which product I'm talking about. Now again, I have two options for you for the toner part. Now this is again the OG favorite of almost all teenagers. Now I'm talking about the Dabur Gulabri Rose Water. Yes, this is again a very known product, and almost each and every teenagers has this particular product. Now I particularly use this for my DIY face packs. I love using rose water with it. Now this is the Dabur Gulabri Rose Water, and the product is of 250 ml, and this costs you rupees, the print is 75, but you will get a huge discount if you go to any retailer store. Like you will get it on a budget of like 65 to 70, so it's easily available under 100 rupees. And the next option that I have is the one from Alps Goodness. It's again a rose water, but the price of this one is little high as compared to this one, because this provides you 250 ml, but this one has only 50 ml. But this is absolutely free of chemicals. Like this has some parabens and everything. Like this is not completely chemical free, but this one you get paraben and sulfate free products. So the cost of this particular, like this is 50 ml product, and I think the cost of this particular 50 ml bottle is rupees 65, because as long as I can remember, I bought it at this price point. You get it on Purple provides you like there are again a wide range of products on Purple app. So you get Alps Goodness products on Purple app, so you can definitely go and check. And this is absolutely like, this is very mild on your skin. Like sometimes I get irritation with this, so I use this particular product, but definitely these two we are done with the cleansing and toning part. Now comes the moisturization. Now again, for oily skin people like me and a lot of those who have oily skin, it's very difficult to find products which actually will suit you and will not make your skin feel greasy. Now and it is very important, like also as I have set the budget of rupees 100 to 150, it's very much like it's not that easy to find something which is very good on your skin, that suits your skin and will not make it look greasy. Now for that I have two options again. The first one is again from Mamaearth. This is the Mamaearth oil free moisturizer, and this product costs rupees 99. This is the smaller version, but again you have a bigger version of this. So just in case if you want to try the new try the product, try it. If you want to see whether it suits your skin or not, you can definitely go for this particular size. This will again fit into your budget of rupees 100 to 150, and it's specially for oily and acne prone skin. And it says this is paraben and silicone free, and also it's non-comedogenic, which is very very important for people having acne prone skin. And again, if you have extreme oily skin and you do not want to apply any moisturizer, you prefer using any gel kind of products, so for that I have the Alps Goodness Sandalwood Gel. Again, this product will fit under your budget. I think this particular product costs rupees 60, and the product they are providing is 30 grams. Now you can definitely try this one. I like to use this one because it has a very silicone texture, so you can also consider this as your primer, so it can work both as a moisturizer and a primer. So these two are definitely
So let's
good
talk
options.
about
Lips now. If you're someone who have dry and chapped lips throughout the year, trust me, it's very difficult for us to find, like I also have dry and chapped lips throughout the year, so it's very difficult for us to find something which gonna provide us hydration and which comes under a budget of rupees 100 and 150. So for lip balms, I have three options for you. The first one is the Nivea lip balm. This is the strawberry variant, and this will easily come under your budget of the budget I have set for this video. You can get it easily on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa, and also in the offline stores, but I don't know in offline stores you will get under rupees 150 or not, but you will definitely get it under a budget of rupees 150 on the online stores. And for the lip balms, I have two options again. Now these are from the Revona. I have the chocolate coffee variant and also the strawberry variant. Now these are also a very thick lip balms, but you know, the price point of these products are rupees 99 each, and the lip balms are very thick, and you need a very little amount, and you just need to apply it on your lips, and it will stay for a very very long time. Okay, so now talking about lip care, now I have something for you which is not exactly you can call a lip balm, but it is something you can use it for almost everything. Now trust me, this is the OG favorite of almost all Indians, and especially of our mothers and grandmothers. Now yes, I'm talking about Boroline again, and trust me, this is the most favorite thing of this entire products that I'm going to be showing you in the video. I absolutely love this, and this is something that I need each and every day. I can use this as my hand cream, as my lip balms, and I think for my wounds and everything, this is very 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 helpful, and I absolutely love it. And I think the price for this particular product, it will come under rupees 100. I exactly don't remember what price point I bought it because I forgot that, but I can assure you that you will get under rupees 100, and it is something that you can use it for almost, like this goes for a very very long time, and you can use it almost for everything. So you can definitely consider any of these three products. Okay, so since it's summertime right now, and this one product we need it like we definitely need it in summers, and I'm talking about a sunscreen. Now the sunscreen that I have, it's the Roop Mantra Ayurvedic medicinal sunscreen, and this has SPF 50, and the individual price for this is rupees 136, but I have an amazing deal for you. So I got two sunscreens under rupees 199, so you're paying 100 rupees basically for one sunscreen. So you can definitely consider this as a really good option, and since it's a Ayurvedic sunscreen, so I don't think it will give any bad reactions to any skin type, because I have sensitive skin, so I try to use something which is definitely not mostly chemical free. So this is, I think this is paraben free, because the company has says that. I haven't checked the ingredients, but I can assure you this is paraben free. So this is a really good option for people, those who want a paraben free sunscreen and also in a budget. So since we're talking about skincare, it's very important for us to clean our skin thoroughly and take all the pollution that comes and sticks in our skin, because only face wash doesn't really help in that thing. So for that we need to use a scrub, and for scrub I have the option for Lotus. This is the Lotus Herbal Apricot Scrub, and the price for this one is 165, but again you will get a discount. You will get it under 150. Also your local stores will provide you a good discount, and you can also get it under rupees 150 in Amazon, Nykaa as well as Flipkart, because obviously there is something, they always provide you some sale and stuff, so you can definitely get it under rupees 150. And it's very good. It's extremely good to clean your nose and these areas, because I don't really use a full face scrub because of my acne prone skin. I only clean on my T zones and on the chin area, and it's extremely good. I have oily and acne prone skin. This particular product is something that I think each and every acne prone skin person should keep, and I am talking about a tea tree oil. Now trust me, tea tree oils are very expensive, and you cannot buy any tea tree oil under this budget, but this one from Alps Goodness, they will provide you a very cheap option. Now I got this one for rupees, I think I got this for rupees 105, and I obviously purchased it from Purple, and the product quantity is 10 ml, but this is going to go a very long time, because obviously you cannot use tea tree oil just like that. You need to mix it with something, and you just need a very little quantity. And trust me, I have been using this for a very long time. I am still left with almost like this much of product, and this is very helpful. Like if you see one or two acne with just popping up, so take some aloe vera gel, and also just one drop of this, mix it and apply it on your acne, and trust me, it's going to dry up very quickly. So you can definitely buy this one, and you all get two variants also. This is the 10 ml variant. This will fit under your budget of rupees 100 to 150, and you also have a bigger variant which is of 30 ml. So the next product that I am talking about is a facial wipe, wet wipes. Now this wet wipe is from the brand Apollo. Like I got these from Apollo, so these are their brand, and the price of this particular product is rupees 80, but I got it for like, there's a deal going on, so if you buy any 3 products you just need to pay 100 rupees. So I bought 3 of these particular products and I just paid 100 rupees. So each packet costs you rupees 80, but if you buy 3 products they will give you they will have to pay only 100 rupees. And there are a lot of options as well, like you get aloe vera gels, you get wet wipes, you get hand washes. So there is this offer going on, so you can definitely consider this. And even if you want to buy one individual packet, you will just have to pay rupees 80, which is a very good option. And you can definitely consider this. You can keep it in your bag. If you sweat a lot just like me, you can definitely keep it, and it's also very good if you want to wipe your makeup. So the next product that I am going to be talking about are shower gels. I have 3 shower gel options for you. So the first one is the Nivea shower gel. These are empty bottles, and I have already finished these 2, but I have kept the bottles to show it to you. Okay, so the price of these particular product is 199, but again you will get it under 150. If you search on Flipkart or Amazon, you will definitely get it under 150, because I personally got these under rupees 150. I think I paid 130 or 140 for each of the bottles, so you can definitely consider it. And the next option that I have is the Fiamma shower gel. Again, this will cost you, the price I think is again 199, but again you will get these under a budget of 150, because I think I paid 135 for this particular product. So let's talk about hair. Now if you're someone who loves oiling your hair and you really want your hairs to be healthy, and you don't want hair fall, so you can definitely go for coconut oil. We all know coconut oil is very good for your hairs, and this one comes from the brand Patanjali, and the cost of this one, I think I paid rupees 70. And this is a very good option, because we are like most of us, we really like to apply coconut oil. I love it in winters. My scalp really gets dry, and coconut oil really helps to give that moisture, and a lot of us really like applying coconut oil. And also our mothers and grandmothers always tell us to apply coconut oil in our hairs, and this one is so the next products that I have are on the makeup side. Now again, if you talk about makeup, it's not very easy to find products under that budget, because you won't get well-known brands, and if you do not use good brands, then it might give you rashes. So for makeup, the first one that I have the Maybelline Fit Me Compact, and this is in the shade light beige. And this is a really good compact for your daily use. I use this on a daily basis whenever I need to go out or anything. This is something that I can definitely use it on a daily basis. And the price, I think the price of this product is, it's not mentioned here, but I think I got it under rupees 150. And again, you can get it on Flipkart, Amazon, Nykaa. They will give you huge discounts, so you can definitely go and buy this. So now let's talk about concealers. Again, concealers are something that you don't really get a lot of concealer options when it comes to this particular budget, and even if you get something, they are not that great. They won't give you coverage. But the two concealers that I have with me are these Color Fever concealers. Okay, so these are basically pan sticks. These are in these lipstick forms, and the brand gives you like two products. You need to pay for two products. They come in a combo. You cannot buy one single piece. And can you guess the price? I bought these two at rupees 105. Yes, I'm not even kidding. I bought these two for 105. So can you imagine, you are getting two concealers for just 105, and it's a really good option, trust me. Sometimes we think like we are buying product at very cheap prices, but will that be that satisfactory? But this is very satisfactory. The coverage of this is really nice. Like, I personally have acne scars on my face, which is like very deep, and they do not hide easily. But these two concealers really have helped me to hide my acne spots. And obviously you need to set it with powder, so you can see a huge difference. Basically the coverage is really nice. So in case if you are searching for concealers, these are really good for beginners as well as teenagers, because obviously at that age we don't like to invest a lot of money. We find products which are pocket friendly. Okay, so if you are someone who absolutely loves to wear kajal, this kajal will definitely be one of your favorite. I am talking about the NY Bay, the big apple of my eye, and the price of this particular product is rupees 75. I think this has also decreased now because I got it last year, and I was checking through the app and I saw, I think the price of this has decreased to 68 to 65 rupees. So you are getting a kajal for like 65 rupees. I can't even think of any other kajals that will fit under rupees 100. And since this comes from a good brand, so you don't need to worry about irritation or any such thing. And most importantly, you are getting a smudge proof kajal. Yes, this kajal is smudge proof, and I use it on a daily basis. Like, so if you are someone who loves to collect lipsticks and loves to apply lipsticks, trust me, you're gonna love these options. Now I am talking about lipsticks, and for lipsticks I have all these lipstick colors, like options. Now I'm gonna start one by one. Okay, so the first one that I'm gonna be talking about is from Blue Heaven. This is the Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip color, and I don't know the shade name. I just liked it because it's a not like, it looks very dark, but it's not that dark. It's going to be very subtle, and since it comes from a good brand, you can definitely consider it. The next two lipsticks that I'm going to be talking about are from My Glam Lip Collection. Now the price of these products are, I think, more than, these are 395, but I got these for 99 each because I participated in that survey and I got these two lipsticks. The first shade is Sugar Mama and this is Swinger, so you can definitely consider this as like on the budget. Okay, so the next product that I have is again from NY Bay, and the shade name is Kinky Kristen 4, and this is the shade. This is a very beautiful pinkish shade. It's absolutely new. I haven't used it till now, and the price of this product is, I think, 85 to 90. I exactly don't remember, but yes, this was under rupees 100. The next one that I have is from L18. Again, L18 lipsticks are OG favorite of almost all teenagers and all college going girls because they provide huge range and absolutely pocket friendly. The shade name is P28, and this is the shade. I haven't used it much. I think I've just used it 1 or 2 times, and the price of this particular product is 90 rupees, but this has again decreased to 75 rupees, so you can definitely consider this as a good option. And the last 3 lipsticks that I have are these 3 lipsticks. Okay, these comes from this brand called Clammy, and I don't know, you will get these online because I bought it from my local store and I paid, I think I got it for 100 each. So these are the colors. These two are nude shades, and this is a very dark red shade, and this is one of my favorite. I'm also wearing it right now. So if you're someone who loves nude shades, you can definitely go for this. I think the price is rupees 100. So if you talk about lipsticks under 100, so I have these. Now again, talk about eye makeup. I have the Lakme Insta liner. This product is something I have been using since very long time. Like, I think this was the first makeup that I learned, and this is a very old makeup product. I think our mothers have also used this, and trust me, this is my favorite because I don't know, I cannot use any other liners. I am absolutely in love with this one, and the price point is rupees, I think now you will get it under 130, which comes under the budget of 150. You can definitely consider this as a good option because I personally love it, and the pigmentation is really nice. So I do not use any other eyeliners. I am I'm literally hooked onto this, and I just cannot use so the next product that I am going to be talking about are nail paints, and these nail paints are from the brand NYPay. Now NYPay has a lot of products which will fit under your budget, and I have 3 nail paints from that, and the individual prices of these nail paints are rupees 42, so it's very cheap. And the shades that I have is Magic Mauve 5. This is Magic Mauve 5. It's a very good nude shade. Okay, so the next shade is High Heels and Desires 4, and this is a very, these are not matte, by the way. Okay, these are glossy nail paints. You also have a matte option. I think they will cost you rupees 55 each, and this is a very ash kind of like bluish grayish kind of a color. And the last one that I have is Cotton Candy 4, and this is a very light pink kind of a shade. So these are very good nail paints, and the best part about these nail paints are they don't really chip easily. They will stay. Coming to the last product of the video, now I have shown you a lot of makeup products, so we need something that we can use to wipe off our makeup, and we need a micellar water. I am talking about the Garnier micellar water. The quantity of this product is 125 ml, but you will definitely get it under rupees 150. You will get it on Flipkart, Amazon and Nykaa. They provide you sales, so you can definitely get it under rupees 150, and it's absolutely good. I use this to remove my makeup. So that's it for the video, guys. I have shown you all the products that I own which will fit under the budget that I have set for this video. So tell me in the comment section below if you have any of these products, and if you have used this, so please let me know. I will be very glad to know about it. So I just don't want to keep the outro long, and make sure that you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and also please subscribe to my channel. Your one subscription means a lot to me, and it will bring a big smile on my face. So I just don't want to keep it long. Till then, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you soon in my next video.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.